All the 3 products which I have suggested is very best in their category, and I've been using it for quite some time to provide this review, and you can trust me on this. These 3 serum is going to change your skin to the next level. So I highly recommend all three products. The links are in the description box. Please do find out the links and place your order. If you like this video and I'm been giving valuable content to you, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon, and do leave your valuable comments. I'll be happy to read it. Hello, hi, andarki namaskaram, vanakkam and welcome back to another episode of States Junction. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா வந்து 3 different types of serum and எந்த ரொட்டீன்ல நம்ம வந்து இதை யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் and what it is going to give you, and I'm going to even recommend the best 3 products to you which I have been using for quite some time and I've been feeling a very nice difference on my skin. ஸோ அந்த 3 சீரம் என்ன, அதை எப்படி நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணோம், எந்த ரொட்டீனில் யூஸ் பண்ணால் எஃபெக்டிவாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்றது தான் இந்த கம்ப்ளீட் வீடியோ நீங்கள் பார்க்க போகிறீங்க. இந்த மாதிரி நீங்கள் நிறையா ஸ்கின் கேர், மேக்கப், ஃபேஷன் ஹால் இந்த மாதிரி நீங்கள் வீடியோ பார்க்கணுன்னு if you're interested in knowing about me, then you can definitely check out this channel. Do support me by clicking on the subscribe button and also the bell icon, and like this video so that it will reach a broader audience. So with this note, let's get started with today's video. Okay, let's start. First thing, any serum, before we apply any serum on your face, all you have to do is cleanse your face. Right now I am going to use Garnier Micellar Cleanser Water. This will actually remove if there is any makeup. It also cleanses and soothes your skin. So idha na ipo use panna poren. If you're not having this, it's not at all an issue. It is still okay. You can use any cleanser that you have. This you need not rinse it. You can just pat it onto your skin. And if there is any dirt, okay, you can see how much of dirt I have on my face. The next thing I'm going to do is, see, you can look my skin is like really cleansed nicely. So the second step which I'm going to do before I'm going to apply the serum is I am going to tone my face. So cleansing and toning is very important. So what I'm going, this is actually a spray bottle. This has rose water toner. So any toner is fine. Any toner, any brand will go. So this prep is very important before you apply a serum on your face to have the maximum effect. Give it a minute's time before you start applying your serum. The first serum which I'm going to recommend to you is Wow Science Vitamin C Serum. If you ask me one serum I have to start with as a basic, before I'm just going to do a skincare and I want one serum that is like really effective on my skin, that one serum will be this serum which is like vitamin C serum. Today I'm using Wow Science Vitamin C Serum. I've been using this for quite a long time and I see visible difference on my skin. What it actually does, vitamin C gives you brighter and even complexions. That is the ultimate purpose of using a vitamin C. It has the tendency to increase your collagen level and elasticity in your skin. So very basic for any skincare routine, may it be a morning routine or an evening routine. It is highly recommended that you use a vitamin C serum, and Wow Science is very nice. It works very effectively and I almost finished this bottle right now. So I'm going to use this serum after I cleansed my face and I've applied a toner. Now it's time for me to apply this vitamin C serum. So take a pea-sized amount on your hand and start applying all over your face. You can just dab it initially and then start spreading it all over your face. It gives you nice hydration on a longer run. If you use it, it gives you it gives you very nice hydration on longer time. If you are going to use it, you will see a very good your complexion is going to increase a bit. I have seen it visibly. I've been using this for a long time. I see visible results in this and it gives a nice glow. So when you're going to do a makeup, before that when you're doing a skin prep, I definitely recommend you to use this Vita C serum. This has 20% vitamin C. It's oil free. This is the texture. This is the texture of this. And leave your skin for 1 minute like that before you apply the next serum or a next product. Let the skin get absorbed completely so that you get the maximum effect out of it. So if you are in oily skin complexion, or if you have a combination skin, I would highly recommend this cleanser, which is Neemli Naturals 2% salicylic acid deep clean concentrate. I have already done a shots on this. I have been using it for past 15 days and I see visible difference on my skin. My blackheads and whiteheads have reduced a lot. Even I feel my acne scars have bit controlled after using this regularly for about 15 days or something right now. So I highly recommend this product to you guys. So when you are actually starting to use such acids or AHA, BHAs on your skin, it is very important. Like, it should be very gentle on your skin and it should not create any irritation to you. So I've been using this Neemli Naturals Deep Clean Concentrate, which has 2% salicylic acid, and it is very gentle on your skin and it doesn't irritate your skin. The main purpose of this cleanser is if you have excess of sebum production in your face, it is going to easily control it, giving you a nice nourishment. And it's almost 2 weeks for me and I feel like my skin is lot improved after using this. So highly recommend this product. And if you are new to using a BHA, I would recommend you to use a salicylic acid of 2%, and this is a perfect formula which is very mild to your skin. So after you cleanse your face, the first thing you have to do is take a few drops. It's going to unclog your pores. In almost like a 4 weeks time, you will definitely feel a difference. I'm feeling a difference. I'm promoting this product because I felt a difference on my skin. And leave it about a minute's time before you start applying the other serums. So definitely check this product, and you can buy it from Amazon. It is under very affordable range, and I highly recommend this product. For using this Neemli Deep Clean Concentrate on your morning skincare routine, I would highly suggest you to apply sunscreen before you are stepping out, or even if you are at home, I would highly suggest you to apply, because it is an exfoliator. So once your skin is exfoliated, it is very prone to sunlight, so it is highly recommended you have a very good protection SPF 50 plus sunscreen on your face applied. If you are using it on a night routine, then it's fine, you need not apply. But if it is in your morning care routine, I would highly suggest you to apply a sunscreen after you use this. This is the third type of serum, which is hyaluronic serum. I would highly recommend you to use this hyaluronic from Loreal Paris, which has 1.5 hyaluronic acid. This is a serum that is going to change your skin game. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is a very clear liquid. Main thing is it's going to hydrate your skin. The more and more hydration you have, the more and more young and bright looking skin is maintained. So that is the main purpose of it. It has lot of microparticles that is going to give an even complexion, and there is a lot of proven facts like this actually makes your skin hydrated, and the hydration stays for a very long time. So after 1 week of using this product, you are going to feel a very bouncy and a hydrated skin. This is how it looks. Oh my god, it is like very good hydration it has. So let me apply it on my face. So you can see how plumpy my skin looks right now with so much of hydration, and that is because of this Revital Lift from L'Oreal Paris, which has 1.5 hyaluronic acid. I highly recommend this product to you guys. So the next very good question that we can ask is it okay if we use all the 3 serums in a single skincare routine? No, we don't recommend that. It is not recommended that you use all the products one by one on a single skincare routine. So just split it as AM and PM routine. I would highly suggest you to use this Neemli Natural Salicylic Acid for the night care routine to have very good effect, and do not combine this salicylic acid acid concentrate with any other hyaluronic serum or vitamin C serum or niacinamide. So don't just combine both of them. And for the morning skincare routine, I would suggest you to use the vitamin C serum and followed by the hyaluronic serum. So vitamin C serum is going to give you a very bright complexion, and then the hyaluronic acid is going to hydrate your skin. They both are very good combinations that you can use it together. And for your night care routine, you use this Neemli Naturals salicylic acid serums or any serum that you are wishing. I'm going to finish this video with this. After this, I'm going to apply a moisturizer followed by the sunscreen, so which if I'm stepping out. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed watching this video.